The darker and the sharper beads are from metal. If there is a small tip on the top, it is used for wood. The dull drill beads are made for cement. For people who want to repair their laptops and so on, we also offer a more compact, collapsible manual screwdriver ratchet set, which a size of a pen, equipped with 12 different screw bits. They are easy to carry and great for electronics repair. If you need to screw a lot of precision screws, this is a good choice. As in the name ratchet, it has a ratchet mechanism that locks the handle when rotated clockwise but loosens when rotated counterclockwise. Instead of having to remove the screwdriver tip from the screw with each rotation, you can leave it in the screw and ratchet the handle back to its initial positions. Okay, all my dear friend, all above are the details we shared with you about our INGCO impact drivers. If you are interested in this product, just try it. Thank you for watching.